Okay, for the next section of the video, I guess we'll concentrate on getting this cut out in here first, to cut that down to a 1/2 inch, I believe it is, and then we'll cut out the center section. So first thing we want to do, I guess, is create a new sketch plane on this face here. And if you don't like that, you could rotate it around, but I'm just going to leave it where it's at. I'll create a rectangle, and I'll just give it something like that. And I can go ahead and create a constraint of collinear between this line and this edge, and then I want to create another constraint of tangent between here and there. This line tangent to this arc, and then finally we've got to create this line, find out where that line stops, and again we're just going to have to make an assumption, I guess, that it would be 3/4 of an inch. I don't see any other dimension on this drawing, so we'll assume that it's the same distance as it is here. So I'll give a dimension from the center out to this line. Oops, that's my center. There we go. About 0.75. And we'll go ahead and cut that out. So we'll face the sketch, and we'll do an extrude cut, of course, and it'll go. And again, I didn't change all these back to construction, but I'm just going to go ahead and make that square, that rectangle, and I only want to do that in 1/8 of an inch. And we'll cut that out. And of course, I'm going to hit save. Then we'll go in there and do a mirror like we did before. So the features would be the last feature we created, and the plane is going to be this work plane right here, and that's our original plane to create that extrusion. And we'll just hit OK, and we'll note that that's cut out. So that's the only way I see that. I don't see any dimension otherwise, so that's what I'm going to have to make a little bit of an assumption, I guess. So we'll hit save again, of course, and now we can create the cutout through there. So I'll go ahead and do a sketch on this plane, and we'll draw a circle, and I'm just going to draw it anywhere out there, and I'll draw another one anywhere out there, and we'll go ahead and make those concentric. This arc, excuse me, this circle concentric with this arc and this circle concentric. And I'll draw some, I could draw some lines, but yeah, I'll go ahead and draw some lines. And we'll make this one, and we'll show the constraints, and we can see we've got a tangent here, and those are concentric, but that's about it. So we'll go ahead and create some constraints here of tangent here and there, those two, and then finally these two, and we can trim out this and that, and we'll add some dimensions now. This is going to be a radius of 0.6, oh, that's a diameter of 0.625, so that radius would be let's see, 5/8 would be 5/32. That's not right. 5/16, sorry. Half of 5/8 is 5/16. And we'll go with a 5/16 here, which would be 3125. And that thing is all defined. So we'll go ahead and click on this arc and this arc and make those constructions so won't be any confusion. It's like I missed one maybe. And we'll extrude, cut, and you can see it's already there, and we'll just do that through all. And then OK, and we'll hit save again. So that takes care of that. Now we'll stop the video there, and then we'll do the rib on its own separate video. So that's what we'll end up.